Open Visual Studio Code, and the first thing we need to do is we need to install the extensions. So go to extension section and click C#, select C# and say install. Once it's installed, you can close the extensions window, go to Explorer and open the folder. Select the folder where you want your project files to reside. Maybe I'll make one folder here called Visual Studio Code Demo. Select folder. Now once we are inside this folder, go into Terminal, New Terminal, and let us build a project inside this folder. To build a project inside this folder, run this command .NET space new space console followed by -- framework net 6.0. As soon as you do this, you can see on the left that program.cs and your CS project files have been created, as well as the object files. Next, let's compile this and run it by just typing .NET run. And there you have it. Your program is running. You can open your program.cs and write additional code. For now, you can just go here and type .NET run. And you can see the output right here.